pa ata nagawa yung step 2 na yan, pero nagawa ko yung step 1 tsaka step 3. I-email ko na lang yung contracting doon sa bago kong PMO.
Bike with my mom.
Ba't di mo dinala yung bike mo?
I see my bike here.
Para pumayat ka, mag-walking ka lagi. Anin mo yan. Oh, dadalhin mo yan. Na.
They are really cool rocks.
Tara na. Kaya tayong loto.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm gonna go to the skate park.
Skate park?
Yeah, behind our house.
Okay. Mamaya.
After we went home. Okay.
Mamaya pahinga muna tayo.
Wait for the Lord.
Ay, ano yun? Si Lolo Jello, si Lolo Jello.
No.
Ba't may ano ka, may tungkod? Maano ka sa ano, Jello?
Bye, bye.
Baka madapa ka tapos maano ka sa hawak mong yan.
What are you doing? Why do you have a wood?
This is my old sheep.
Are you old?
I just want to take off the skins because this is dead already.
Saan na pupunta sila?
Sino? Sila? Chay Chay? Ay, Archie sa park daw.
Hindi ka na nahin?
We should have
swim there?
No.
Why?
I'm gonna be wet.
Remember we went down there before?
Dati malinaw yung tubig no, ngayon ano siya.
I remember.
Di ba naliligo ka dito, Jello?
No, I played it. Played not. And the path is wet.
Pag clear na yung water kasi nakapuna na.
Mm.
Sarah, you have to still drive.
Dried? Why?
Because before you not how to drive.
I'm driving in Philippines.